Vietnam manufactures for Nike, North Face, Louis Vuitton, and over 50 of the world's biggest brands. The stuff gets made here, right here. Same factories, same workers, same stitching machines. So when you pick up a fake in Saigon, you might be holding the exact same product, just without the $400 markup. The label is the only thing that's fake. We found 13 things worth buying. Some are obvious, some will genuinely surprise you. And one of them, stick around, is the single best value purchase you can make in all of Southeast Asia. Don't leave Saigon without watching this first. Subscribe to Traveling and Eating, Passport to Flavor. The one rule for buying fake in Saigon. One rule, just one. Touch it before you buy it. Seams, zippers, stitching, weight. Run your hands over everything. Saigon will sell you brilliant or garbage, sometimes from the same stall. The tourists who get burned are the ones who decide with their eyes. Your hands never lie. Fake number 1, designer handbags. Saigon's fake handbag market generates an estimated $450 million a year. That's not a market, that's an industry. Walk into Ben Thanh, turn left at the second gate. You'll find Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Chanel, stacked floor to ceiling like a luxury department store lost its mind. Here's what most tourists don't know. Vietnam's leather craftsmen are genuinely skilled. The stitching on a mid-tier Saigon replica isn't embarrassing, it's impressive. These aren't the floppy, peel-in-a-week bags you'd find in a tourist trap in Bangkok. The difference between an $8 bag and a $60 bag in Saigon isn't the brand. It's the leather weight, the hardware, and the lining. Feel all three before you commit. Prices start at 200,000 Vietnamese dong. The good ones sit around 800,000 to 1.2 million. Know what you're touching. And stick around, because what's coming at number 5 makes the handbag look like small change. Fake number 2, replica watches. The global replica watch market is worth over $1 billion a year. Saigon is one of its biggest playgrounds. Every market in District 1 has a watch stall. Some have 50. Glass cases packed with Rolex, Omega, Tag Heuer, Casio, all sitting there under fluorescent light like they own the place. And some of them are genuinely good. Not good as in fooling a jeweler, good as in keeping accurate time, solid weight on the wrist, clean face, decent movement. A watch you'd actually wear without embarrassment. The move in Saigon is never the first stall. Walk 3. Compare the weight, the crown mechanism, and how smooth the second hand sweeps. A jerky second hand means a cheap quartz movement. A smooth sweep means something worth paying for. Prices range from 150,000 Vietnamese dong for garbage to 1.5 million for something that'll turn heads at dinner. Fake number 3, sunglasses. Americans spend an average of $300 on prescription sunglasses. Saigon will sell you the same silhouette for $4 and not even flinch. Ray-Ban Wayfarers, Oakley Frogskins, Carrera wraparounds. Every frame style that's ever been cool is somewhere in this city, stacked in spinning racks outside every third shop on Boi Vien and Datam. Here's the honest truth. For casual travel sunglasses, the replica game in Saigon is almost unbeatable. You're not buying these for UV protection certification. You're buying them because you're on a motorbike in 95-degree heat and you don't want to cry about losing them in a river. The only thing worth checking is the lens. Hold them up to a light source and look through. Distortion means cheap plastic that'll give you a headache by noon. Clear and consistent means you've got something wearable. Bargain hard. Start at half the asking price. Walk away once. They'll follow. Fake number 4, North Face and outdoor gear. North Face manufactures a significant portion of its products right here in Vietnam. The factory workers sewing the real ones and the fake ones are sometimes the same people. That's not speculation, that's geography. Walk into Saigon Square and you'll find North Face jackets, Patagonia vests, Columbia shirts, hanging in neat rows like a REI store had a very profitable identity crisis. The quality spread is enormous though. Some pieces are thin, logo slightly off, zippers that'll fail in a week. Others have YKK zips, reinforced seams, and shell fabric that genuinely repels water. The difference is visible if you slow down. The rule here is simple. Check every zipper. YKK stamped on the pull means the manufacturer cared enough to use real hardware. That one detail separates a 6-month jacket from a 6-year one. Backpackers have been quietly stocking up here for decades. Fake number 5. Custom tailor-made suits. A made-to-measure suit in New York or London will cost you $1,500 minimum. In Saigon, the same process, your measurements, your fabric choice, your lining, runs $150 to $250. This one isn't even really fake. It's custom, built from scratch, on your body, by craftsmen who've been doing this their entire lives. Saigon's tailoring district sits mostly along Nguyen Trai and Le Van Sai. Walk in, pick your fabric, get measured, come back in 48 hours. 2 fittings. Finished product that fits better than anything hanging in a Western department store. The mistake tourists make is rushing it. 1 fitting is never enough. Budget at least 2 days and 2 fittings minimum. That's the difference between a suit you'll wear for a decade and one that stays in the bag. Wool, linen, cotton blend, all available, all affordable. Saigon's tailors don't cut corners, they cut suits. Fake number 6. Streetwear and graphic tees. The average American spends $1,800 a year on clothing. One afternoon on Bui Vien Street in Saigon will make you question every purchase you've ever made. Every brand, every style, every colorway. Supreme, Off-White, Bape, Stussy, stacked in piles on folding tables under plastic awnings, moving at 70,000 Vietnamese dong a piece. That's less than $3. Here's what nobody tells you. Vietnam is one of the world's top garment manufacturers. The fabric quality on a Saigon graphic tee isn't always cheap. Some of these shirts are cut from the same cotton rolls that end up in legitimate export orders. Soft, pre-shrunk and double-stitched at the seams. The tell is the print. A quality screen print sits slightly raised and doesn't crack when you twist the fabric. A bad one flakes before it hits the laundry. Buy 10. They pack flat. They cost nothing, and every single person back home will ask where you got them. Fake number 7. Ao Dai, traditional dress. The Ao Dai is Vietnam's national dress, over 400 years old. And in Saigon's markets, you can have one made to your exact measurements for under $30. This one sits in a different category. It's not a knockoff, it's not a replica. It's a living piece of Vietnamese cultural heritage. Silk or cotton, fitted at the collar, split at the waist, flowing to the ankle. Every Vietnamese woman owns one. Every tourist who buys one wishes they'd bought 3. The Cho Ben Than has ready-made options. But the smarter move is the tailors sitting just outside the market's north gate. Same fabric, same craft, built to your body in 24 hours. The fabric choice is everything. Silk drapes beautifully but wrinkles in a suitcase. Cotton blend travels better and holds its shape. Ask to see both before you decide. Saigon sells a lot of things. Nothing carries more soul than this. Fake number 8. Leather wallets and belts. The global leather goods market is worth over $400 billion. Vietnam sits quietly inside it. Tanning, cutting, and stitching for brands you've carried your whole life. This is one of the most underrated buys in Saigon, not because it's cheap, because it's genuinely good. Vietnamese leather craftsmen have been supplying global brands for decades. The skills didn't stay inside the factory gates. Walk the hem off Nguyen Trai on a weekday morning, small leather workshops, belts cut to your waist size on the spot, wallets hand-stitched while you wait, buffalo hide, cowhide, and synthetic, all available, all clearly different if you know what to feel for. The test is simple. Bend the wallet in half and release it. Real leather springs back slowly. Synthetic snaps back fast. That one move tells you everything you need to know before you spend a single jong. These aren't souvenirs, they're keepers. Fake number 9. Backpacks and luggage. Americans replace their luggage every 3 to 5 years. A mid-range suitcase at home runs $150 to $300. Saigon will sell you the same silhouette, same wheel system, same zipper grade for $25. This one is pure logic. Saigon Square has an entire floor dedicated to bags. Backpacks, duffel bags, rolling carry-ons, hard-shell suitcases, every size, every color, every brand you've ever seen in an airport. Some tourists buy a cheap bag just to carry everything else they bought in Saigon home. That's not a joke, that's a legitimate strategy. The two things that kill a cheap bag are the zippers and the wheels. Check both before you buy. Spin the wheels on the floor. They should roll silent and straight. Work every zipper around the full track. A zipper that snags empty will fail you full. YKK stamped on the pull. Every time. Cho Ben Than has options. Saigon Square has volume. Fake number 10. Zippo lighters. Over 600 million Zippo lighters have been produced since 1933. Vietnam copied every single one of them, and then added designs Zippo never thought of. This one has history behind it. American soldiers carried Zippos through the Vietnam War. They engraved them with unit numbers, dark humor, names of girls back home. Those originals now sell for thousands at auction. What Saigon sells today is the descendant of that culture, and some of it is genuinely compelling. Walk any hem in District 1 after dark. Vendors spread velvet trays of lighters on folding tables under bare bulbs. War-era engravings, Vietnamese motifs, Saigon skylines, Buddhist symbols, designs you won't find in any official catalogue. The test is the flint wheel. Spin it 3 times fast. A real mechanism catches clean on the second spin. A cheap copy grinds, slips, or throws sparks sideways. Refillable, windproof, built to last. At 80,000 Vietnamese dong, you're not buying a lighter. You're buying a piece of Saigon to carry home in your pocket. Fake number 11. Phone cases and accessories. The global phone case market is worth over $21 billion a year. The average American buys 3 phone cases annually. Saigon sells them for 50,000 Vietnamese dong and doesn't apologize for it. This is the easiest buy in the city. Every market stall, every street corner, every hem with a folding table has phone cases, hard shell, leather flip, clear TPU, MagSafe compatible, wallet style. Every brand, every model. iPhone 15, Samsung Galaxy, Google Pixel, all covered, all cheap, all available in colors that don't exist in any official Apple store. But the real play isn't the case. Cables, adapters, portable chargers, wireless earbuds. The accessories game in Saigon is deep and the quality spread is enormous. Spend an extra 60 seconds testing before you buy. Plug the cable in. Play audio through the earbuds. A bad cable announces itself immediately. Cho Ben Than has the variety. The street stalls on Bui Vien have the price. Know where you're shopping before you open your wallet. Fake number 12. Jerseys and sportswear. The global sports merchandise market is worth over $45 billion a year. An authentic Premier League jersey retails at $120. Saigon sells you the same crest, same colors, same player name for $10. Every football fan who lands in Saigon has the same moment. They see their team's jersey hanging in a market stall. They check the stitching. They check the badge. They stand there doing math in their head for 45 seconds and then buy 4. That's the correct response. Vietnam manufactures sportswear for Nike, Adidas, and Puma at industrial scale. The fabric technology sitting inside a Saigon replica jersey isn't always far behind the real thing. Moisture-wicking, breathable mesh, heat-transferred badges. The better stalls know exactly what they're doing. The tell is the badge. A quality replica has a badge that sits flush and firm against the fabric. A cheap one peels at the corners before the first wash. Press it. If it moves, walk away. EPL, La Liga, NBA, NFL, all here, all cheap, all waiting. Fake number 13. keychains, magnets, and souvenir gifts. Americans spend over $27 billion on souvenirs every year. Most of it ends up in a drawer within a week. Saigon sells better ones for 20,000 Vietnamese dong, and they actually mean something. This is the section nobody plans for and everybody needs. You're 2 days from flying home. You forgot 7 people. Your bag is already overweight. Saigon has you covered, and it won't embarrass you at the gift exchange. Lacquer keychains shaped like Cho Ben Than, hand-painted motorbike magnets, miniature Ao Dai dolls, faux bowl keyrings, embroidered coin purses, Vietnamese flag patches, conical hat bottle openers. Every stall inside the market has a version of all of it for under $1 a piece. The move is bulk. Tell the vendor you want 20 pieces and watch the price drop by half in real time. Haggling in Saigon is theatre. Play your part and everybody wins. Buy more than you think you need. You will run out before you run out of people. Fake shopping in Saigon, the city that makes the real thing anyway. 13 things. 1 city. 0 regrets. Saigon doesn't apologize for what it sells. Neither should you for buying it. The factories are here. The craftsmen are here. The skills that built the world's biggest brands are right here. On these streets, in these markets, in these hem. The only difference between fake and real in Saigon is the label. And labels don't last as long as the product. Subscribe to Traveling and Eating. Passport to flavor. We go where the food is real and the prices aren't.